When material handling breaks down, you feel it everywhere. Orders slip, people chase parts, and the whole shift starts running on urgency instead of control. That constant firefighting doesn't just waste time. It drains energy, creates tension, and slowly chips away at trust across the floor. Material handling only creates value when it supports the pace and sequence your customer actually needs. If flow breaks, delivery performance breaks with it. So, watch for downtime hiding in plain sight. People waiting for a forklift, a crane, or the next move usually means the system is waiting too. A lot of waste in material flow looks normal until you slow down and really see it. The same item gets picked up twice, moved again, then parked in a staging area. Long travel paths and extra transportation feel small in the moment, but they add distance, touches, and delay to every order. What you lose is responsiveness. Hidden handling cost builds up quietly, and the system becomes slower to react when priorities change. Unpredictable flow creates a different kind of waste. Materials arrive late, priorities get interrupted, and teams stop trusting when the next delivery will show up. You can often see it at congestion points where carts, pallets, and people keep crossing the same space and slowing each other down. Then the emotional cost shows up. People start chasing material, absorbing late delivery pressure, and carrying stress that the process should have removed. Better flow is usually easier to see than people expect. Routes are visible, pick-up and drop zones are clear, and material status doesn't have to be guessed. FIFO is obvious, standard routes are followed, and container quantities make the next move easier to judge without debate. And replenishment happens in a known rhythm. When the pattern is visible, the work feels calmer, because fewer decisions are left to memory or urgency. Look closely at the handoff. If transfer information is incomplete or ownership is fuzzy, the same transport problems tend to repeat. You see it in the condition of the material. Repeated touches, poor stacking, and unprotected movement show up as dents, scratches, edge damage, and parts that pick up dirt during handling. Those marks are not minor cosmetic issues. They are practical watchouts that tell you handling discipline is weak, waste is already in the system, and the next risk may be safety. The same is true for congestion points that keep returning shift after shift. Repetition is a signal that the process has not really been solved. And always watch the safety picture. Forklift and pedestrian conflicts, unstable stacking, and falling object risks are improvement opportunities you should treat urgently. Small changes can make flow far more reliable. Barcode scanning, dispatch tracking, milk run scheduling, and smart conveyor or AGV support all reduce avoidable friction. Start where the waiting, chasing, and risk show up most. That's how you build material flow that feels smoother, safer, and more dependable for everyone.